I woke up and I seen that she's throwing Ate Meek Meek's clothes.
Ayoko na sana magpaliwanag kasi mataas yung emosyon ko. Mauutal na naman ako sa pag-English. Pero wala, kailangan kong paduguin yung ilong ko.
You are wrong. That's not a solution. She didn't know it wasn't there. That's not her fault. You're being negative and childish. Go pick it up.
I cannot be mad at Mikay
Mad for what?
for everything.
Everything.
Her room is not okay, and she will make you go back and forth outside.
Who cares that I went back and forth outside?
Me,
Why? I do it every time we order food. Now you care?
baby daddy.
Go pick it up.
I will not do that, baby daddy.
Yes,
Let me
you
be
will.
me. Let me be me to them.
because you're being immature and negative.
So that they know. If they do that to you, they won't
Bro,
She won't do that
she
again.
didn't do that shit on purpose. What are you not understanding?
Don't you understand that? She shouldn't do that to my partner. This is how I reacted. So I don't have the right to be mad at
Bro,
the guy.
No, you don't. You
I
didn't
do.
go
I
downstairs and
want to
don't.
get mad at her. Let me, baby.
No, you're being negative, bro. I don't want to be around negative people. Stop doing that shit. Go get it. Go pick it
I will
up.
not do that, baby daddy.
Yes, you will. Go
This
pick it
is
up.
how I am to them.
Go pick it up. You want me to start knocking your shit down? Go pick it up.
Why would I? What will
Go
you
pick it
do to
up.
me?
Go pick it up.
Because of Mikay, you will choose Mikay over me.
I'm not choosing Makai
So
over you.
let me be me.
That's not being you. You're being childish. You're being negative. That's not you. Go pick it up.
Baby daddy, this is not just one time madness to Mikay.
Bro.
She's always not cleaning. Her hair is always on the hallway. You're getting mad at me because of Mikay.
It's not because of Makai.
Because you're telling me that you will throw my clothes.
Do you want me to throw your clothes downstairs?
No. But
So
I
go
can
pick
do that
yours
to them.
up.
I will do that.
For what? I can do that too.
Because
You
I
threw
did
her-
something wrong to Mikay, not to
You
you,
threw
baby
her
daddy.
clothes downstairs.
That's
Because
not
I
your
went
fault.
down. Because I went down.
Oh, she won't do that to you na,
Who
again.
cares if she did that?
I do. You're my
Why?
partner, baby daddy.
Why? Why are you making a big deal out of it?
I'm gonna make that a big deal. She shouldn't be doing that to you. Make you go down back and forth.
Go pick it up.
No, I will not do anything to Mikay. I've been doing a lot of things for her. This is the only time that I get mad.
For what?
For what? For everything. Not just for telling you. She didn't even ask me if can I ask Landon to get my partner sa outside. That's already disrespectful to me.
Go pick it up. Go pick it up. I'm not asking you. I'm telling you. Go pick it up.
Why would I do that?
Because you had no reason to throw that shit down. You're just starting problems. Go pick it up, bro.
Don't do this to
Go pick it up, bro.
Why would I do that to Mikay?
Because you threw it down for no reason. So you threw it down because of Ruben, not because of anything else.
Also, everything, baby daddy. Her things are always in the floor. Her hair, I always clean. I don't like that.
You're doing too much.
Baby daddy, we're gonna stay in this house. I'm gonna bear a child in this house. If I'm gonna be doing too much, not just because of you or for me, but because of I'm gonna incoming child.
I'm telling baby mama she shouldn't react like that. If she's upset with Ate Meek Meek's cleanliness, then she should talk to her and not react out of anger. What she's doing isn't good, especially as Ate. She shouldn't handle the situation like that. The attitude that she's used to, I'm not gonna tolerate because she's a mother now, and I'm not gonna let her do that in front of our kid. She should change now and approach the situation differently.
Ending, wala na kasing kumibo pagkatapos naming nag-usap. Kaya kinuha ko na lang sa hagdan. Nagulat naman ako na nakasunod si baby daddy para tulungan akong kunin yung mga damit. Nag-hello si Mikay sa amin. Sabi ko, mamaya na lang tayo mag-usap kasi wala ako sa mood.
Nagtaka ako, bakit yung mga damit ko nandun na sa kama ko. Hindi ko naman iniwan na ganun yun nung pag-alis ko.
I called you first before I called him. But you didn't answer and the rider was calling me, Ma'am, there's no one here. I'm going to leave. He was like that. That's why I called him and I called him. Because I can't call you to get my parcel. You're pregnant. And I didn't even know that there was no Yaya here. I'm sorry for that if, London is gone when you're awake. But I just asked him a favor because I wasn't here.
Yeah, there's no problem with that. Pinas ko na ngayon. That's why I said, that's the past. But when I went out the room and then I saw that, of course, it pissed me off. your room was open, and then I saw it like that. Like, it's like, I don't want you to make me feel that you are, it's like, that's just a sleeping area.
Mm-hmm.
This is also your whole house.
Yeah.
I want you to remember that.
Yeah, I understand that. I'm sorry. It was my fault. I overslept yesterday. I didn't have the time to clean the room. But if I had the time, I will. I always clean my room. You know that. Even if we don't have Yaya. I'm sorry if you guys fought about it. I'm sorry that you had to throw my clothes. Ate, you're just pregnant. That's why you're like that to me. I understand, and that's my fault.
Mikay, I'm not just pregnant because I'm like that to you. I want you to understand that I am already transitioning.
Yeah, ate. And you know that I always clean my room. This just one time I didn't. Because I really don't have the time. You see, di ba, Landon, when we got there, they're all in the car.
Mukhang tama si Tonyang ko pagdating kay Ate Marie. Nagsisimula na siya maging OA. Kasi magiging nanay na siya. Hindi na siya magiging tulad ng dati. Nagsisimula na siya mag-transition.
Alam mo, Mikay, yung feeling na, do you know the feeling of, I have high emotions and I cannot express myself.
Mm-hmm.
It's like I'm nauutal. Kasi ako para umihi, inalalayan niya ako, pumunta ng banyo, at hindi niya na ako binungangaan.